Hosana, Nyanbingelela, Ninalapa Makaya, you beautiful Kemites and you viewers of this channel that assists in teaching African spirituality, universal spirituality, and also is a guide in assisting people to be aligned globally, spiritually. Crusader lo. Igedla lama shkeshker. Igedla of the New Age Kids. Inyanga yamakhosi eyakhethwa amakhosi eyambathwa ikhehla elikhulu makhosi wonke ngithi ngiyaziyehlisa phambi kwenu ngithi ngiyanamukela to another episode of Kemi TV. Guys, the algorithm is showing that although we're getting more subscriptions, still a lot of our visitors and a lot of our viewers are not subscribed. So please go ahead, hit the subscription button if you're visiting, hit that notification bell so that you get notifications when we are dishing out more food for you to eat. Here are my social media channels. If you see any channel ethi Crusader kodwa it's not one of these, and you see the narrative on the channel doesn't make sense, akusiyi umuntu ongabhadlile who hacked my account or umuntu nje othatha igama lami ofuna ukwenza ezinye izinto because they don't have a life. They have to do things that affect me. Nkosi yami, uthakathi. Kodwa, these are my socials. Follow me here. 061 178 1304. If you just want to talk to me, if you just want to send a shout out, text me on WhatsApp. If you need an online consultation, that's the number you contact me on. Or you can go into our website, Arcana Temple. Okay, you'll see the link in the description box. You'll also see the link there in the channel description. You can go in there. We have ways for people to book consultations internationally, globally. We have products on there. We have material that is free to read upon. Some of the Kemi TV material is on there. It's not Kekamakula. Crusaders always gotta give out Scooby snacks. Yaphoqa mkhulu. Noma I've ended segment yami la bengikhipha imithi ejulile ukuthi ngisize. Kodwa I still try to find ways to assist you without causing trouble for myself and without ukuqeda ama-business or ewezinye inyanga. So today we'll be focusing on 3 African rituals that will assist you financially, that will assist you to manifest imali within your life. Abaningi have spiritual blockages that are causing them not to be able to manifest money. Some people, just because of isigaba bakusempilweni, they are just barely making enough just to get by. Some other people bafuna more. They are comfortable but they want more. Kodwa bayasaba ukujula kakhulu bathatha izinto ezijulile. Bayasaba ukuthi mabathatha lento izoza nobungozi. And so these are 3 rituals which you can do with the comfort of your home, outside at the river, wherever, in different places, in order for you to assist you in manifesting money, in order for you ukuthi udonse inhlanhla emathongweni. Singageqa amagula. The first ritual, the money in the bowl with the ancestral prayer ritual. Crusader, what do I do and what does this ritual do for me? This ritual connects you to the abundance of energy of your ancestors, nenhlanhla yabo, futhi it connects you to the earth so that the earth takes care of you. Plus indlulisela inhlanhla yengilosi zakho to you if there are any blockages. Uzongenzela kanje, ngicela ukuthi ungithathele ibhawu elincane. Please take a small bowl or a container. So you'll need a small bowl, and then you will take that container and uzothatha imali ekhanyayo. You will make change, whether you make 21 rand, whether you make 40 rand, whether you make 50 rand, whether you make 60, 100 rand. Uyijike yonke kube imali ekhanyayo, silver coins. Ngiyakucela mkhulu ungafaka amazuka, ungafaka ama-5 bob nama-20 cents. Ube nebhadi uthi since ngaqala lento yakho mkhulu Seda, ngixakeke wes ukuthi wena uphambanise lezi zinto lezi ngitshela ukuthi uziyenze. Imali ekhanyayo, silver money. You'll take a bowl and you will fill it with the silver money. And then you will fill it with grain. Uzofaka maize meal, uzofaka umthombo, uzofaka amabele, but you will mix it with grains. Okay, you can even make it a mixture of everything. You will mix it and then you will pour a little bit of water. Amanzi kancane, hayi amanzi amaningi. And then when you've done that, you will mix it and then uzonkhanyisela ikhandlela. If usemsamo uzonkhanyisela ikhandlela emsamo. Ne? If usemsamo uzonkhanyisela ikhandlela emsamo. If not, uzonkhanyisela ikhandlela la okhulekela khona, ubize abantu abadala. Usithobe phakathi kwabantu abadala, ubize abantu abadala, uthi ucela ukuthi bakubusise ngokungeziwe phezulu. May my ancestors, you'll sit with the lit candle once you've mixed the grains with the silver money, and then you will call upon your ancestors after lighting a white candle. You will call upon all their surnames and you will ask them to bring abundance into your life. You will ask them to open financial doors ukuthi kukhule izinto zakho zande, lokho nakho uzale, ube nenqubekelo phambili. Speak out loud all your financial intentions ukuthi le mali ezayo ngiyidingela lokhu nalokhu. Ungayenzi lento le ngoba ufuna imali yamabhiya ngeFriday, ngoba ufuna imali yedakamizwa. Amadlozi ayazi uma ufuna ukwenza into ephambene. So be in a clear, pure intention. Usho ukuthi I'm facing financial challenges. I need to pay for this. I need to pay for that. Kuyimanje bazoyithatha indlu. Angazi ukuthi mina ney'ngane sizohlala kuphi. Ngicela ukuthi ungisize. Ningisizeni ukuthi kuvuleke izinto. Mangithola imali iyande. Ngicela namukele umnikelo wami. And you say this with gratitude. And when you are done, you show gratitude. Ubonge ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi sekufezekile. And then let this bowl, you will take it and you will keep it on your altar or your sacred space for 7 days. Ungalisusi mkhulu once you finish the ritual. Ihlala khona laphaya. All right? Do this weekly and then ubuye kimi uzongitshela ukuthi, hey, mkhulu Seda, ingathi nje ungithwalise ngingahlosanga ukuthwala. The key is your consistency and you must truly believe when you are doing these things. Ungathi uyazama. Lento yokuzama is the other reasons people's businesses don't work out. The universe doesn't work ngokuzama. The universe works with doing. You must do. And so your intention must be clear. You must be consistent and you must believe and your energy must be aligned for you to be able to activate your financial success and for you to receive inhlanhla ebantwini abadala nasengilosini nasey'dalweni zasemanzini zasentabeni ezasezulwini emakhosini. Ritual number 2. This one we'll call it the river and water spirit offering. Lana suke singasebenzisi idlozi nje kuphela, usuke uyocela kukhokho osemanzini. Nkosi yami, indodakazi umfazi ongabhekwa ngamehlo, indlondlo enkulu esemfihlakalweni. We'll call this the river and water spirit offering. Water spirits are powerful guides of flow and prosperity. Offering at the water ivula izinto bakwethu. Yingakho uma ngivula inhlanhla seldom you'll see ukuthi umuntu ngicabanga ngemithi yenhlanhla khona la endumbeni, cha, unless kuwukuthi ngiyakuphakamisa or ngikuyenza eminye imilingo lesiyenzayo, unless I'm doing another ritual. Generally mangiphakamisa umuntu inhlanhla, insebenzo zakhona ngiziyenza emanzini because that is what water serves. Ney'dalwa zakhona they serve ukuthi zihlambulule izinto zakho and to assist them to flow. Offering them gratitude brings blessing. Awuyanga ukuyokhonza. Ungathi ukuthi mkhulu Seda is teaching us to worship mermaids, teaching us to worship inyoka zasemanzini. Cha, you are making an offering and asking for something in return. Uzongenzela kanje. Ngicela ukuthi ungitholele umfula. Please find me a natural water source. And you are going to use the bowl of clean water. What you're going to do is you're going to offer fresh fruits. You're going to offer fresh fruits. You're going to offer imbali. You're going to offer imbali. You can put in impepho. You can mix in impepho. You can put in imithi thizeni yenhlanhla emhlophe umavula kuvaliwe izinto ezinjalo. But you will take this bowl. You will put flowers. You will put impepho. You will put your fruits within this bowl. And then ufake lamanzi awalapho in this bowl. And then you are going to speak your manifestation goals. Uzokhulumela lapho ngaphakathi usho ukuthi khokho mkhulu ndlondlo yasemanzini ngidinga usizo. Uma lo mnikelo unganele ngiyaxolisa. I need a breakthrough. I need assistance with A, B, C, D. Be pure in intention. Ungathi ucela ukuwina ilotho kuwukuthi you have a dream of having bear honeys in the room and popping champagne. Cabanga ukuthi gogo wasemanzini umngani wakho. Cha. You are going to speak your intentions and your goals into the bowl and you will continue speaking as you now make the offering. Uthele emanzini, all these fruits, all these herbs, the mixture of flowers. Uthele khona. And once you're done, you're going to sit down and you're going to meditate and visualize amaphupho wakho sewafezekile. You're going to visualize all your things multiplying, and you're going to visualize emotionally how you will feel once you receive the things you've received. And then uzobonga, ubonge uthi ngiyabonga ukuthi ukufezile khokho mkhulu wasemanzini. I am thankful for the blessings I've received from the water. Sukume uhambe, ungachame emanzini, ungahlala lapho udla amabheka wenza izinto ezisnacks. Cha, sukume uhambe, and then wait for your offering to be received. And please, again, consistency, guys. Once every 2 weeks, you can do this. It doesn't cost too much. Ama-fruit njenyana, what you can afford, ama-flower, ungene la next door, uphathule ama-rose laphaya, put the rose petals, the lily petals together and create the spout. Uye emanzini uyokwenza lokhu. Water is the essence of life, so it assists in making your dreams and intentions flow. Khumbule lokho. Singageqi amagula. Final ritual. Ritual number 3. What will we call this one? Let's call this the planting seeds with intention. This one is very simple, but it's also hard. Ne? You must remember, Uguti, planting physical seeds connects you with growing Mother Earth. You're doing something for the earth. You are assisting the process of the life and death cycle. Plants actually assist in increasing vibration. They assist in many things. They become food for Mother Nature. You are feeding the birds, you are feeding the animals, and so forth. And so you must remember, planting physical seeds connects you to growth energy in nature, and it mirrors your personal manifestation. So you can connect the act of planting with your intentions. Ungaxhumanisa lesenzo osokutshala esokulima, utshala imbewu, lokho ukuxhumanise nezifiso zakho namaphupho wakho through this ritual, so that makukhula leso sithelo, leyo mpande, leso sihlahla, lowo muthi, your dreams get closer and closer to their manifestation. Your finances grow along with it. Makhosi mkhulu, I'm excited. How do I do this? Ngenzele kanje, ngicela ukuthi specifically ungitholele imbewu. Find me seeds like corn, seeds like beans, or find me sacred African herbs. But easy for you guys, just better find beans or corn. Once you've done that, uzowathatha uwakhulekele, uzowabamba, uzokhanyisa ikhandlela, uthathe uwakhulekele, and while ukhuleka uzosho ebantwini abadala ukuthi udinga ini. Uzosho kumvela inqangi ukuthi ngidinga lokhu, ngifisa lokhu, ngihlose ukuthi ibhizinisi lami likhule, ngihlose ukuthi izinto zami zithuthuke ziye phambili. Ngicela ukuthi njengoba kukhula le mbewu, nezinto zami ziye phambili, zikhuphuke njengoba nayo izokhuphuka. And then you will go into your garden, cima ikhandlela, go to your garden or where you're going to be planting the seed. You're gonna plant the seed, you're gonna water it, but njalo moyi nisela uyabonga. You give thanks ukuthi kuyathuthuka kuya phambili. You're not saying I'm giving thanks that you're growing. You give thanks ukuthi as it's growing, okay, ngiyabona kuyathuthuka kuya phambili. Stay consistent, guys. If you stay consistent and you do this ritual correctly, as the plant grows, the earth's energy along with your ancestors' energy will feed into your intention, into your dreams, into the purpose which you've set. And the uzobona ifezeka. Do this, guys. Remember that the ritual reminds us that growth takes time and nurturing and consistency for it to manifest. So akusi yinto ozoyenza and then kusasa you see a difference. It's you in the beginning of the year starting a business, starting a hustle, and doing this ritual and saying, as this plant grows, the progress and growth of my business, I will see it. And so you must be patient, all right? So here's some bonus tips for applying the power of manifestation to assist you in these rituals. You must perform the rituals, or you can perform the rituals during a new moon or during a full moon for extra energy. The properties of a new moon, new moons, or rather a waxing moon, when the moon is going towards a full moon, is the time when we do positive affirmation and we do rituals that assist in luck and in growth and in healing. That energy from the moon, that energy emanating from the moon assists us when we are doing witchcraft, when we are doing rituals within African spirituality, ngezinto zenhlanhla. A waxing moon is after a full moon has been full and manje iyaqala iyaphela. That is the time when we do curses. Masivala abantu masibashaya ngemithi. Because the energy from the moon there is of the energy of deteriorating and undoing. And so that is why we use the moon cycles and the days and the moon cycles and the days of the month in order for us to do specific rituals. So if you want an extra effect, check where the moon is currently in its state. Okay, once you've done that, like I've told you before in my candle segment, guys, remember uguti colors contain vibrations and they can set a certain frequency. So if you're trying to manifest money, go back and refer back to that video on what each candle color or which color means what. But I'll just tell you, for example, you wear more green if you're trying to manifest financial abundance. You will wear more love and related colors like pink if you're trying to manifest successful relationship or a partner. And you wear yellow if you're trying to be more likable, if you're trying to draw more people to you, if you want to have social media success, and if you're garnering for fame of whatever sort. Okay, do us a favor, journal your progress. It'll help keep you motivated to keep going. Journal your progress, journal your dreams. You can use ancestral tools that I've given you in other episodes to assist you. And remember, guys, this is a new thing. Gratitude. Always give thanks, because he who is grateful will keep receiving more to be grateful for. But he who shows a disrespect and he who is ungrateful, even the little you have will be taken away from you. Right? Manifesting in African rituals is about honoring the spirits, honoring the earth, honoring your guides, ukuziyehlisa and be humble, but to also own your power. These 3 rituals work, guys. Puma, go try them. Go into the comment section if you've tried one of them or if you've done the first ritual, and tell me ukuthi mkhulu ngiyizamile lento yakho in 3 days ngibone kwenzakala lokhu, in 5 days, in a week ngibone kwenzakala lokhu. If you want more clarity, go into the comment section ungitshele ukuthi mkhulu ngicela ucacise la. Igedla lamashkeshkir, inyanga yamakhosi, ngithi ngiyazithoba phambi kwenu, nginithanda ngothando kaMvelinqangi, ngithi qhubekani nikhula ngokomoya, qhubekani nithuthuka ngokomoya, continue taking pride in African spirituality. Emakhosini.